Hello everybody and welcome to the town of Huatulco. Today I'm gonna rent a bike and go around the town and see as much as possible, including the beaches and all the different rock formations that we have here along the shoreline. I had recently come to the beach town of Huatulco in the state of Oaxaca, Mexico. It has an average of 330 sunny days per year. So I've been walking around here trying to find an ATM actually, and I went to 3 of them, but they all didn't work. So we're gonna see if I can find one that actually works, and then I'm gonna get my bike and go on a long trip. The town seemed to have a really relaxed vibe, and I was really excited to go and explore it. I just got my bicycle here that I paid 250 pesos for, a really good bicycle, mountain bike. And I can have it all day. It's about $10 for one day. So let's go and explore the town. I was in the middle of the town with a population of 50,000 people, and now on my way down to the beach. I had lived in Mexico for the past 10 months, just beneath the United States, and in the southwest side of the country, by the Pacific Ocean. I was on my way down to look at the famous beach of the town, and then continue up the mountains. Most of the town is located a bit further up from the beach area. So I'm out on the main road here, and this is the road that takes you all the way down to the beach. All the other roads are pretty small, but here we see a very, very nice road and the mountains there in the background. I came out to an incredible beach and blue sky in between the rock formations. What a great view of this blue water and white sand areas. Huatulco is not a very well-known tourist destination, which is surprising considering the great weather and incredible landscapes. The town is situated in between and around all the mountains that you can see all along the coast. Hello everybody, here we have Playa Chahue, and it's so nice here. The air temperature is actually a lot more dry than what it was over in the Yucatan Peninsula where I came from this week. And here there's also no hurricane seasons, so the weather is usually really good here, which is really great. Hello! What a view it was to come out to the white sand area and the blue water. Welcome everybody to the Pacific Ocean. The water is not as blue as it is in the Caribbean Sea, as you might have seen in my other videos, but it's really nice, and along this coast of Mexico you can also do surfing in a lot of different spots. The ocean temperature here is usually around 25 degrees Celsius throughout the whole year. Here behind me we have one of the resorts, and it's about 20 meters to just walk down to the beach. This seems to be one of the most famous places to go swimming. There's also a little cove here that I'm gonna check out, and now it's time to jump in.
my friends, it's time to finally jump in and cool off.
I had walked to the end of the beach to go for some snorkeling along the nice rock formations.
Cove, and the water keeps coming and filling it up. That was a quick snorkeling session actually. I think we're gonna try to go further out someday, maybe see some better reefs, because I didn't see anything here, but we have some deep frying. The sun is frying pretty good, but we're gonna keep going, take the bike and go to the next place.
It was a truly amazing place, but I was about to take my bike and head up into the mountains.
I just came back from swimming, and I'm gonna take my bicycle again. Behind here we have the Sierra Madre del Sur mountains also, which is a mountain range here by the Pacific Ocean.
The air was so fresh, and I was really excited to see more of this astonishing landscape further up the mountains.
Now I have 7 kilometers actually up to the next viewpoint, so it might take a while to go there with the bike.
I came around the corner and decided to stop in the next harbor around the mountain.
So I actually stopped here at the boat marina, just located across the mountains that you saw in my drone shot, behind the mountains that you saw on the left side. So here you have a lot of boats, and this is where they dock all the boats. Some really nice luxury yachts and also some sailboats. There are some really big boats here, and I'm guessing that usually they have some really nice boat tours and trips that just take you into all these small coves along the coast with really nice cliff formations.
This boat marina also has a big dock where really big cruise ships usually come in.
Now I'm on my way up into the mountains. Really nice day. All the palm trees here on the road. Oh, the sweat is dripping. So steep. I've been in this hill forever. Up the mountains. Whew.
I was going up and down, but we're soon about to come out to an incredible view. I'd been going up the mountains from the town, and now almost made it to a really incredible viewpoint.
I had to stop and drink some water here. I've just been going up and down, up and down. Did you know that humans have the best endurance in this world out of any animal? Because we have such a good ability to sweat and cool off the body temperature when we get too hot. I I stopped here on top of this mountain, and several hundred meters it looks like down to the sea level or the ocean level. But I want to keep going to that beach that you saw.
With 330 sunny days per year, it's easy to realize why the landscapes look so dry. The rock formations have some dramatic and sharp shapes to them. You can see how the force of the waves have also carved out some shapes in the mountains.
Here we have one of the viewpoints. Really incredible. I'm so sweaty. It's gonna be really nice to jump in. It's really nice when the wind is coming in your face. Cool off a bit. Great success. Hello, now I just came out to a viewpoint here called El Faro. Look at this really cool view. A lot of birds flying above here. I don't know what kind of bird it is, but they sound pretty cool. Kra! My drone just broke. Very sad day. The wind took it and it flew into one of the bushes, and now it's broken. Shit.
With the broken drone in my backpack, I was going through the mountains again and in to the last beach for today, which would be the nicest one.
Now I'm here at Playa del Carmen, and it's really sad that my drone is broken. I don't know how we're gonna solve that, but maybe we can get a new one somehow. It will probably be hard to get it here, but let's go check out this beach.
This beach was really nice, and there were also a lot of restaurants where you could buy food and drinks right there next to the water. My body temperature was so hot after several hours of biking, so I was really excited to jump in and cool off.
I was swimming a bit here, but I'm really sad about my drone, so I'm gonna head back. But it's been a good day of filming today. Oh, going up these steep hills again. My ass hurts so much from the seat. We go up and then we go down in life, just like the hills of Huatulco. Shit happens and then good things happen, and then some shit happens. Wait, I was on my way back, and what I just showed you like 2 minutes ago, I'm here now at this beach. I showed it to you from up the mountains on the other side actually. That's why I was just like 5 minutes away. Maybe it's vultures that are circulating here. They're waiting for the next prey to bloodsuck and take advantage of. I'm back in the town after a long day. Oof. I came back home to where I've been staying here.
I had stayed in a decent hotel room for $17 per night.
That was it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. As always, if you liked it, please leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers. Also, if you want to support my video making, you can either buy some pool trick t-shirts that you can see. You should be able to see them actually underneath the video. They should show up like underneath. You can click into it. Otherwise, you have to go to the description of this video and click the link, and then there you can buy some pool trick t-shirts. Or you can also support my videos on Patreon. But thank you very much for watching. See you next time.
Please also, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something.